Johnsen joins us live in Marina, and a lot of parents want to know how those tests will roll out. Nia.
Yeah, good evening, Steve, Kimberly. Tomorrow, school districts and charter schools will pick up their portions of the at-home COVID-19 test here at the county's Office of Education's warehouse. They'll then hand them out to students.
You know, there's a short supply, so people are really clamoring for these tests.
You may have seen the long lines of people waiting to get tested for COVID or have even stood in one. With students returning from the holidays amid a surge in cases, Chief of Staff with the county's Office of Education, Johnsen, says tests are in high demand.
Because we know that families really want to make sure that their students are safe.
Last month, Governor Gavin Newsom announced the state would send every K-12 student an at-home COVID test kit to be taken before they head back to class. After a week of delay due to storms, Tuesday afternoon, San Diego County received close to 200,000 kits of the 410,000 allocated. Watson says right now the kits are on a first-come, first-served basis. The school districts and charter schools will decide how to distribute to students.
It's probably going to look a little bit different depending on what charter school or what school district families attend.
Vista Unified School District and River Valley Charter School are among those to receive test kits Wednesday. Watson says not every district or school will receive a kit from the county. San Diego Unified sent their students home with COVID tests before winter break.
Students come back this coming Monday the 10th.
Other districts like San Marcos Unified are on a wait list for the remainder of the allocation.
For San Marcos, it's a nice added layer for us.
That's because San Marcos Unified Superintendent Dr. Andy Johnsen says they've been able to offer on-site COVID testing for staff and students for most of the school year. He says while he is a bit concerned about the current surge, last month was the district's lowest case rate yet, thanks to extra safety precautions.
But we're just counting on everybody to continue to do the right thing, wear your mask, wash your hands. If you're sick, stay home, and we'll be able to keep our schools open.
Watson says they're not sure yet when they'll receive the rest of the COVID-19 tests from the state. I also want to point out that families are not to show up to the warehouse tomorrow for a COVID-19 test. Again, school districts and charter schools will pick up the test, and they'll contact families on how they'll be distributed. Reporting live, Neil Watson, ABC.